हेलो स्टूडेंट्स वेलकम टू स्टडी इज फन। पूर्व वीडियो रे आमे 2020 रो समस्त हिस्ट्री क्वेश्चन सारी देथिले। आज आमे 2021 रो हिस्ट्री क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करिवा। तो 2021 रो दुईटा दिन रे क्वेश्चन एग्जाम हेतिला अक्टोबर 7 और अक्टोबर 8। तो अक्टोबर 7 रो आमे फर्स्ट शिफ्ट रो क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कशन करिवा ओनली हिस्ट्री रो। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कौन था? हु वाज द फर्स्ट स्पीकर अगेंस्ट हुम ए वोट ऑफ नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन वाज मूव्ड इन द लोकसभा? कहा अगेंस्ट रही फर्स्ट टाइम पाए? जी.भी. मावलंकर। नंबर 2, वर्नाकुलर प्रेस एक्ट दैट वाज इनैक्टेड इन द ईयर 1878 टू curtail the freedom of the Indian language press was proposed by dash? किए करथिले प्रपोज वर्नाकुलर प्रेस एक्ट? लॉर्ड लाइटन। Number 3, the reason the Pune Pact in 1932 was agreed upon by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Gandhiji was due to the provision that the reserved seats for the depressed classes were to be voted in by the general electorate in the provincial and central legislative council elections. Number 4, a patriotic tale of the revolt of the sannyasis against the Muslim forces of the East India Company published in 1882, authored by Bankim Chattopadhyay was dash? Ananda Matha. Number 5, which of the following statements about social reformer Sir Syed Ahmad Khan is incorrect? तो स्टेटमेंट कौन दी जाको देखि देबा। He focused on spreading Western scientific education among the Muslim masses in India. स्टेटमेंट 1 गला। स्टेटमेंट 2 देइछि Sir Syed Khan pitched the one nation theory which says that Hindus and Muslims are one nation. Statement C, he founded Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College at Aligarh in 1875 to educate Muslims scientifically. Aligarh movement was started by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1860 in Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh. तो सी आमको इनकरेक्ट कोटा पचारछि तो एई भितरु केवल बीटा ही इनकरेक्ट, बाकी सब ठीक अछि। कहीं सर सईद अहमद खान जो वन नेशन थ्योरी सेटा से देई नथिले। एबे नंबर 6, रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स एंड चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन अबाउट द गवर्नर जनरल लॉर्ड कैनिंग। कौन देछि स्टेटमेंट? लॉर्ड कैनिंग प्रोनाउंस्ड द ट्रांसफर ऑफ गवर्नमेंट फ्रॉम ईस्ट इंडिया। एटा तो ठीक अछि। Number 2, Lord Canning was the Governor General of India when English Act of 1835 was enacted. एटा भूल अछि। तो हमर आंसर कोन हबो? 1 is true and 2 is false. Number 7, read the following statements and choose the correct option with respect to the Rayatwari system introduced by the British. कौन देछि फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट? Rayatwari system was introduced in Delhi and most of other northern states by Thomas Munro, who was the Governor General during 1820 to 27. से हमको कौन पचारछि? रयतवारी। आ कहिछि कि थॉमस मुंड्रो, तो एटा भूल अछि। Number 2, the principle of this system was the direct collection of the land revenue from each individual cultivator by government agents. एटा ठीक अछि। तो हमर आंसर हबो 1 is false and 2 is true. Next question, which of the following statement is true regarding the assembly of the States General called by Louis XVI 1789? The answer कौन हबो? The first state sent the maximum number of members to it. Number 9, who among the following was the Viceroy of India when the Quit India movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1942? Answer हबो हमर Lord Linlithgow. Number 10, the book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India severely criticized the economic impact of the British rule in India. Who was the author of this book? Answer habo Dadabhai Naroji. Number 11, a true teacher of spirituality, Sibadayal Saheb founded an esoteric Hindu and Sikh sect known as dash? Answer habo Radha Swami Satsang. Number 12, who among the following is responsible for starting the newspaper called Som Prakash in Bengali language in the year 1858? तो सोम प्रकाश किए पब्लिश करथिले? ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर। Number 13, which country, the youngest in the race for colonies, wanted its place in the sun when it came to gaining more colonies before the World War I? Answer habo Germany. Number 14, which European power faced the heaviest loss regarding human lives in the First World War or World War I? Answer habo Russia. Number 15, the Sepoy Mutiny in 1857 broke out in which of the following locations बा सिपाही विद्रोह को लोकेशन रे हेतला स्टार्ट हेतला तो आंसर हम मिरट एठी हमर फर्स्ट शिफ्ट रो क्वेश्चन सरी गला नेक्स्ट आमे देखिबा सेकंड शिफ्ट रे कोन आस्तिला क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 which of the following act was introduced by the colonial government with an objective to introduce self government institution gradually in British India आंसर हवा हमर मॉन्टेगू चेम्सफोर्ड रिफॉर्म्स एक्ट एवे नंबर 2 who wrote the social contract the work which inspired the principles of French revolution social contract किए लिखिथिले आंसर हवा जीन जैक्विस रूसो नंबर 3 स्वामी सहजानंद founded the Swami Narayana seat in which of the following states of India स्वामी नारायण सेक्ट को स्टेट रे फाउंड कराइथिला आंसर हवा गुजरात नेक्स्ट नंबर इन व्हिच सेशन ऑफ द कांग्रेस वाज पूर्ण स्वराज डिमांडेड को सेशन रे हितला लाहौर सेशन आ लाहौर सेशन केते मसिया रे हितला निजे सर्च करके देखि देबे नंबर 5 Lord Mayo was the only Governor General who was killed in India by Sher Ali Afridi in Port Blair. The tenure during which he served as the Viceroy of India was 1869 to 1872. Number 6. Among which of the following regions the Albert Bill was withdrawn in 1883? Answer as it allowed Indians to try Europeans in court. Number 7 the holy book Bhagavad Gita was translated into English by dash Bhagavad Gita English रे किए translate करथिले आंसर हबो चार्ल्स विल्किंस Number 8 read the following statement and choose the correct option about the religious leader Ramakrishna Paramahansa of the 19th century. First statement Ramakrishna Paramahansa was born on 18th February 1836 in the Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh. Statement 2 he is popularly known as the saint of Dakshineshwara answer कोन हबो 1 false and 2 is true तापर हमें देखिबा 9 number the Theosophical Society that promoted the study of ancient Hindu Buddhist and Zoroastrian philosophies was established in India in the year 1882 with headquarters at which of the following places answer हबो Madras Ebe number 10 in which of the following years the Treaty of Lahore was signed between the Sikhs of India and the British answer haba 1846 the first Indian to succeed in the civil services examination held in London during British rule in India was dash answer haba Satyendranath Tagore eta बहुत important question मन रखथिबो civil service examination रे first को Indian succeed हेइथिले answer हबो Satyendranath Tagore आउ एही सिविल सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन टा कोठी हेतिला क्वेश्चन आसिले आंसर हबो लंडन एबे नंबर 12 द क्रिप्स मिशन टू इंडिया फेल्ड इन 1942 as Congress wanted the Viceroy of India to appoint an Indian as the dash आंसर हबो डिफेंस मिनिस्टर क्रिप्स मिशन जो इंडिया को आसला सेरा फेल हेइतला 1942 रे कोथि पई ना कांग्रेस चाहुतिला कि Viceroy of India to appoint an Indian डिफेंस मिनिस्टर भाव अपॉइंट करिया पे चाहुतले सेति पे हला एबे नंबर 14 व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इनकरेक्टली मैच कोडा होची द ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्साइल्स जर्मनी ये ठीक अछि द ट्राइनन ट्रीटी हंगेरी द न्यूली ट्रीटी इटाली अछि किंतु एटा इटाली नहो द सर्ब्स ट्रीटी तुर्की नंबर 4 व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अलायंस इज इनकरेक्ट को alliance टा incorrect अछि entente cordial between England and France dual alliance between France and Russia dual entente between Germany and France reinsurance treaty between Germany and Russia तो हमर ऑप्शन 3 जोटा सेटा भूल अछि तो सरी गला हमर सेकंड शिफ्ट रो भी क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे आमे थर्ड शिफ्ट रो क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कशन करबा हिस्ट्री रो आज रो वीडियो को एट रखिया वीडियो टी भल लागितले लाइक करंतु चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु और शेयर करंतु।